Hello there! Welcome to the tutorial video of how to place an order for my services. Step 1. Contact me with interest in what you would like to buy. Step 2. In this step, after choosing your preferred services, send the payment via Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 3. In this step, send information and passport picture. If needed for your desired service. For information, you may need your first name, middle name, last name, driver's license number, issue date, expiry date, date of birth, height, passport picture with white background. Step 4. After placing the order, wait 2 days for your order to be completed. Step 5. Wait for dead drop location or tracking number if shipped. I make ID and paperwork such as pay stubs, bank statements, etc. I am dedicated to providing you with reliable, customized documents that serve your purposes effectively. So why are you waiting for? Get in touch with us today to discuss how we can assist you.